What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul and you are watching the Deal Finder. Today's video, February 10th, we have the flash deals for the week here at Costco. Let's not waste any time and get into the video. First up in today's video, we have the Lifetime Modern Deck Box with an extra large storage capacity at 165 gallons. It's also weather resistant. It has a nice lockable lid, but the lock is not included. Low maintenance, UV protected, $30 off, $119.99. And then just around the corner, we have their 65-inch cascading cup fountain. Assembly is required. It does have a beautiful light melodic water fountain sound that you can't hear from here, but it does. A nice steel construction and rust-resistant copper cups. You can see it from here. 206 gallons per hour. Has an adjustable run dry pump. They're taking $40 off the tag. $159.99. And don't forget about those blue heron statues right in front of us. $7 off for $27.99. You can pick them up. They're all metal construction, crafted from a nice steel. They're powder coated with a high gloss enamel finish. And today we have an amazing deal from Dyson. You have an opportunity to own something supersonic. So right in front of us, we have Dyson's Supersonic Hair Dryer. Now this does include the stand and 5 different types of magnetic attachments. All the attachments are magnetic. Starting from the right, we have the diffuser. Then we have the flyaway attachment. Moving on down, we have the concentrator, the wide tooth comb, and then the gentle air attachment. All 5 are included. Now keep in mind, this hair dryer is engineered for different types of hair. At this price point, that's amazing. $70 off, only $329. Now, if you are enjoying today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe to our channel, turn on that notification bell, and don't forget to follow us over on Instagram at Watch the Deal Finder. We have amazing content there as well. Now, right in front of us, we have the Quaker Oats, the old-fashioned oatmeal. We get this massive box of oatmeal. 2 bags are included. Each bag is 5 pounds, a total of 10 pounds of oatmeal. This also has 110 calories per serving. $2 off the price, $7.99. Now, even though the Super Bowl is over, we still have a couple of great deals on potato chips. We have the Ruffles sour cream here right in front of us. 160 calories per serving, 15 carb, 2 grams of protein. Now, this deal is valid to the 16th. $2.90 off the price, bringing it down to $4.99. If you're in the mood for something different, we also have the Tostitos on sale. Here they are, the original, the scoops. Everyone loves these. These are great for entertaining. 140 calories per serving, 19 carbs, and 2 grams of protein. When it comes to potato chips, they all pretty much have the similar macros. Same thing as mayonnaise. Pretty much all similar. They're giving us a great deal here. $2 off the price, only $3.99. That's for a 22-ounce bag. We also have the Frank's Red Hot Sauce. Great to pick up if you're buying wings or you're going to have wings at a party. These are great to pick up. No calories. These are also great if you're cutting or if you're trying to lose weight. Another great spice here. 190 milligrams of sodium, so keep that in mind. $2 off the price, $7.65. 69 cents, excuse me. And then right in front of us, we have the Ring stick-up cameras. Now, these are battery-operated cameras. They're good for indoor or outdoor use. They come in a 3-pack here, and the price is pretty decent, I must add. They're 1080p. They have 2-way audio talk to it, which is nice. They also include 3 adjustable mounts. They're super easy to install. You can also pick them up at Costco.com for the same exact price. They're taking $70 off the price, bringing it down to $179.99. Now, this deal is valid to February 17th, so you do have some time. Also at Costco.com, they have the all-black version, which is also available at the same price. And now from Bissell, we have their Little Green Multi-Clean Portable Deep Cleaner. Now, they do claim this has 25% more suction, more powerful than the competitors. Also has that spray, scrub, and suction, the triple action. Pretty nice product. I did own the model before this one, and this one is definitely much better, I must admit. They are giving us a discount here, $20 off, bringing the price down to $69.99. It's available at Costco.com for the same price as well. And then moving on, we have the Conair up next. They're 2-in-1 steamer. Here it is directly in front of us. We can iron, and it does have that gentle temperature control, which is nice. Steam and iron, you can do them both. Has 5 different steam settings with a premium delicate setting as well, so that's pretty nice. Quick 10-second heat up time, also very good. Now you can use this both directions, either vertical like it is here, or you can use it horizontally, either or. And it does include some different attachments as well. Has that large water tank, which is detachable. $15 off the price, $39.99. You can pick it up at Costco.com for $5 more. And then next up, we have the Ninja. This is their deluxe kitchen system here. Pretty nice system. If you're looking for all-in-one, you don't like a bunch of gadgets everywhere, this would be the one. I personally like the Vitamix, which is right next to it, but this is great because it has the food processor, you have the big pitcher, you have the single-serve cups as well. It does pretty much everything you need to do in your kitchen, almost everything, and it's a great price. What I like about this system also as well, you can knead dough in it, which is pretty cool. You can do up to 2.5 pounds of dough. Also, the food processor is up to 9 cups, so it is a good size here. Has 7 auto presets, and the motor is 1600 watts, so that's a great powerful motor that you do want. Up to 20% more blending capacity, 88 ounces, $40 off the price. It's only $119.99. You can pick it up at Costco.com for $129.99. Now, if you are new to the channel and you don't know by now, I love small, compact kitchen gadgets, kitchen appliances. I love everything small and compact. That way you can tuck it away and it's not shown on the countertop, keeping your household nice and crisp and clean. Now, this would classify as one of them from Cuisinart. Now, this is their speed immersion blender here, and it does come with a food processor and a whisk. Now, what I love about this, it's super easy to use. You can detach it from the immersion blender right to the food processor, right to the whisk in a matter of seconds. And you can make so many different types of recipes with this. I just made a great soup today, and I used the immersion blender to purify it, make it nice and creamy. Very nice here. The food processor is a 4-cup, has 400 watts of power. $10 off the price, only $29.99. It's available at Costco.com for $10 more. And then right in front of us, we have the Universal Broadmoor on sale finally. A lot of people love this set. We got the dresser, we got the bed frame, and we have the nightstand. Right in front of us, we have their 6-drawer dresser. Now, these are constructed out of hardwood solids and walnut veneers. It's a 6-drawer. They all have that nice premium soft close. They're all dovetail drawer construction, which are nice. Looks amazing. If you want to look at more specs on these items here, you can always head over to Costco.com, have a look. They do have different names sometimes, so if you want to look this one up, type in Marina Del Rey at Costco.com. You can find it here. We have the bed frame, $4.99. Coming to the right, we have the dresser for $5.49, and the nightstand is $1.99, and then the queen size is $4.49. All of them are available, and there's some of them are available at Costco.com as well. And then next up from Bayside, we have their infrared electric fireplace stove heater. Now, what's unique about this product has the glass windows on all 3 sides, so you're able to view that beautiful flame from all the sides. 1500 watts, 5200 BTUs. It just plugs into a standard 120 volts. Has 3 unique colors of flame, which is cool. $20 off, $79.99. It's also available at Costco.com for the same exact price. And now from True Innovations, we have their manual rocker recliner here. So this, not only does this manual recline, but it also rocks as well. 100% polyester fabric, even though it does have a little bit of suede feeling to it. A nice bustled back design. Pretty nice rocker here, very cheap at the warehouse. If you want to pick it up at Costco.com, they'll deliver it, but they won't set it up, and it's priced at $399.99. Here at the warehouse, $70 off the price, $289.99. So it is $100 more at Costco.com, but they do deliver it right to your front door, but they do not include the setup. Now, when it comes time to doing things around the household, I must admit, I'm more of a, muscle it up, get things done, put your back into it. But that's not always the smartest move when it comes to doing things like that. You have to protect your back. I already have a bad back. I don't want to make it any worse. Now, this is a very useful product from MagnaCart. We have their 150-pound capacity 2-wheeler here. Now, it's not heavy duty, but it does help a lot around the household. I did use it the other day to move my plow. I was shocked it can even move it a little bit. $23.99. I just keep mine in the back of the truck, and when I need it, I pull it out. Not a bad price for $20. Now, if you are new to the channel and this is your first time tuning in, I do like to show everyone the flash deals for the week here at Costco, the discontinued deals, and the clearance deals as well, whether it's here at the warehouse or Costco.com. Right in front of us, we have the Govee Outdoor Permanent Lights. We still have some available at my warehouse. Now, these are the Elite version, not the Pro version. So what's the difference between the Elite and the Pro? The Pro, you can cut and splice. So these are priced at $229.97. Some of you may be asking, how do we know it's a clearance product? Anything that ends in 97 at Costco is a clearance item. And then next up from Advantage, we have their Mega Pack right in front of us. This is their Premium Bright inkjet and laser paper right in front of us. Very nice paper, 8.5 by 11, your typical paper. It's 24 pounds in weight, made in the United States. Now this does come in a mega pack of 800 sheets like I mentioned. They're giving us a pretty decent discount at $2 off the price. They're going to bring it down to $7.99. It's also available at Costco.com for $1 more. So when it comes to storage containers or storage in general, Costco does have some pretty amazing options. Right in front of us, well, to the left, we have the green made storage containers. Now these are 45 quarts. To our right, a little bit smaller, we have the Iris. Those are $9.99. But right in front of us, we have these 3-pack of green made containers. They're 45 quarts. They come with the lids. They're locking. Very nice. When it comes to this, it's super cheap. If you head over to Amazon, something similar like this costs $10 to $15 for one container. Here at Costco, you get a 3-pack for only $14.99. That's with a $3 discount. That's an amazing price. Now, hopefully this does drop on clearance fairly soon. We have the Connect 4, the Giant Edition, but for now, it's on sale, $13 off the price. It's blue, red, and yellow. Great colors, made out of plastic, your classic Connect 4. It's an oversized edition, so it is 46 by 40, very big, all weather, nice and durable. You can leave this indoor or outdoor all year long, no problem. And it has a super easy, hassle-free assembly, which I love. That way, when you come home, you can snap it right together. Super easy to put together. Great product here, $13 off the price. Amazing reviews, bringing the price down to $59.99. It's available at Costco.com for $71.99. A very heavy-duty steel shelving system from Gorilla. Now we get 5 shelves in total, 40 inches wide by 24 inches in depth and 72 inches in height. Now we can see here the top of those shelves are melamine. They're black. They match the unit. On the posts are concealed. We can see from here. Pretty nice unit. $15 off the price, $74.99. And then next up, we have the very popular KitchenAid. This is their 6-quart bowl lift stand mixer here. Now, it does include the attachments and the pouring shield is included. I remember when these used to be around $260 around Black Friday, around the holidays. You see these $260, $270. Now the average price is about $320. Still a decent price, but it is overpriced in my opinion. Now we have a couple of different color variants you can choose from. We have the red and we have the silver. It does include the flat beater, the flex edge, and the dough hook, the whisk, and the pouring shield. $80 off the price, bringing it down to $319.99. If you can wait, I would definitely wait when it goes on clearance. And now from Gourmet, we have their 8-quart digital air fryer. A lot of people love this unit because it has the window up front, has that nice extra large 8-quart basket, 7 one-touch controls, and it does get up to 450 degrees, which is nice. Everybody loves that cooking temperature. Now it has a preheat option. It's dishwasher safe, and it has removable parts here. They have one on display. Looks pretty compact to me. Pretty great reviews at Costco.com as well. Very nice reviews. $10 off the price, only $39.99. So we do have another option for air fryers that are on sale at the same time. We have the Ninja Foodie right in front of us. Now this is our 6-in-1 air fryer. It's pretty large. It's a 10-quart air fryer, but each basket is 5 quarts, so you have 2 of them. What's nice about this unit is you can cook 2 things at the same time, 2 different types of food. You can put a chicken in one and maybe french fries in the other, for example. Now it has 6 different functions. You can air fry, roast, bake, reheat, you can warm, you can dehydrate, all 6 of them. So you get 2 5 quarts, a total of 10 quart capacity here, and it has a temperature up to 400 degrees. $30 off the price, $119.99. So we also have the very popular flocked hangers on sale. Now these do come in a 50-pack, so that is a lot of hangers, and they have a velvet texture to them. That way when you put on the clothing, it helps prevent them from slipping off. Now these are 17 3/4 by 9.5 inches in height. At the top, they have a nice 360-degree swivel. Now they're taking $2 off the price, bringing it down to $7.99. If you want to buy a 2-pack, you can at Costco.com for $19.99. Another great product on sale, we have the Shark Wand Vac, their Power Pet. Now this is cord-free, handheld. Everyone loves this because it's super lightweight. That way, it's so lightweight, you don't even notice when you're using it. You find yourself using it more often because it's lightweight. It's very easy to use, and you can empty the debris in a matter of seconds. You just touch one button and it empties it. No getting your hands dirty, everybody loves. Now, what do you get in this kit? You get the 2 cleaning tool attachments, you get the charging dock, and you get the storage. Now, this is on sale. This is from Costco's Instant Savings, their coupon book, $20 off, $79.99. It's available at Costco.com for the same price. And now from Lenovo, we have their Idea Center. Their 27-inch all-in-one desktop computer has an AMD Ryzen 5 1920 by 1080, Windows 11, 16 gigs of RAM with a 1 terabyte hard drive. If you do come to the warehouse and you are looking at these and you do come across one that looks identical to it, buy the other one. It has much better specs. Usually that one's on clearance. If it's on clearance and it ends in 97, buy the other Lenovo. It has much better specs than this one. Now keep in mind this one's on sale from the Costco's coupon book, $649.99. So for the past couple of weeks, I've been working on a video, Costco's top 20 TVs you can buy here at the warehouse. Do they have better available? Of course they do. You just got to head over to Costco.com. I might add a couple of TVs available on Amazon, honorable mentions. Now right in front of us, this is Costco's best-selling TV. So I'm showing it now because this is on sale from Costco's coupon book. $14.99 for the 65-inch and $21.99 for the 77-inch. This is their best-selling TV. Amazing quality. You can't go wrong. Amazing, amazing picture quality. Now, hopefully in a couple of weeks, I do release that TV video. But for now, let's talk about the orange chicken in front of us. Battered chicken breast with rib meat in a mandarin orange sauce. So clearly this is orange chicken. Looks pretty amazing on the box, but let's have a look at the back. 260 calories per serving, 35 grams of carb, and 13 grams of protein. Now this is also from Costco's coupon book. Once again, $4.70 off the price, $10.99. And now from Microsoft, we have their Surface Pro, their Copilot Plus, powered by the Snapdragon. If you want to view Costco's coupon book, I'm just going to leave a link in the description. Click that link. It'll take you directly to Costco's coupon book. I know a lot of us don't get it anymore. We're missing the flyers in the mail. Costco's trying to switch everything over to online. So I'll leave a link in the description for you. Click the link. It'll take you directly to Costco's coupon book. You can view everything there. If you did enjoy today's video, friends, and you do enjoy this type of content, you love the content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you want to support the channel and you want to support me, all I ask is for you to hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video. And if you're still watching, friends, tomorrow let's do Costco's new arrivals. What's new at Costco's warehouse? For Friday, we'll do Costco's clearance. And then Saturday, let's do Costco's 10 best deals for February from Costco's coupon book and online. We'll kind of merge it into one video. That should be a fun video. And then Sunday, Monday, I am going to take off for my son's birthday. I'll try to make a video in advance. He's turning 3 years old. Happy birthday, Nico. So thank you for the support. If you have any suggestions, we are going to head down to Times Square. If you have any suggestions for a 3-year-old that might enjoy in Times Square, leave a comment below. Thank you for the support. I appreciate all the kind comments, and I do try to respond to everyone. I'll see you tomorrow with a new video, friends. Peace.